Are you making these embarrassing English mistakes without even knowing it? Today, we're uncovering 5 incredibly common errors that trip up even fluent speakers, and I'll show you exactly how to fix them so you can speak with confidence.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Welcome to White Eagle.
Today, we talk about common English mistakes.
We will fix them together.
I made a free book for you.
It has 35 mistakes and how to fix them. You can get it with the link below this video. It is free. Also, a big sale for my English courses is coming soon. It is called Black Friday. Join the list now. The link is below, too. You will know first about the sale. Let's start with a common mistake.
Look at this sentence. It depend of the weather. This sentence has 2 wrong parts.
Can you find them? First, the verb depend is wrong. For it, he, and she, we always add an S to the verb in simple present. So, it must be depends. It depends.
This is correct. Second, the small word of is wrong.
The correct small word is on. So, the correct phrase is, it depends on. It is good to learn these 3 words together as one phrase. It depends on. Say it with me. It depends on. We use it depends on to say that something changes because of another thing.
For example, are you coming to the party?
You can answer, it depends on the weather. This means if the weather is good, maybe I come. If bad, maybe I do not come. Another example, it depends on who is coming. If my friends come, I come. If they do not, I do not. You can also say, only it depends. This is a short, correct answer. Next, mistake number 2. Fun and funny. Many English learners often use funny when they mean fun. This is a big mix-up. Let's make it clear. Funny means something makes you laugh. A joke is funny. A person can be funny if they always make other people laugh. For example, the comedy show was very funny. I laughed many times. Here, funny is correct. Another example, my friend Tom is very funny. He tells amazing jokes. Fun means enjoyable. It means something gives you happiness. You like doing it. It does not mean it makes you laugh. For example, my holiday in the mountains was really fun. This means I enjoyed my holiday a lot. I had a good time. We often say, I had fun, or it was fun. For example, the party was fun last night. We never say, I had funny.
This is wrong.
So, remember this rule. Funny is for laughing. Fun is for enjoying something. Mistake number 3. The question many students ask, are you fine? This question is not wrong in grammar. But in British English, we do not say it often. We do not usually ask, are you fine, when we meet someone. We say other, more natural things. The most common is, how are you? Say this when you meet someone. We also say, how are you doing? Or, how is it going? These are also good questions to ask. Many students learn to answer, I am fine, thank you. This answer is perfectly good. But we use fine to answer, not to ask. For example, if someone asks, how is your leg after the accident? You can say, it is fine now. Thank you. This use of fine is correct. You can also say, are you okay? If you think someone might have a problem or they do not look well. So next time you meet a friend, try, how are you? It sounds more natural in British English. Mistake number 4. Let's look at this common sentence. You have to listen your teacher. This is a mistake. It is wrong. The correct way to say it is, you have to listen to your teacher. We always use the small word to with the verb listen. We listen to someone. We listen to something. For example, I love listening to music every day. You cannot say, I love listening music. That is wrong. Another example. Sorry, I was not listening to you. You cannot say, sorry, I was not listening you. So, always use to after listen. Listen to. But for the verb hear, we do not use to. We just hear something. We just hear someone. For example, I hear a dog barking outside. You cannot say, I hear to a dog barking. That is wrong. Another example, can you hear me now? Is my voice clear? So remember this rule. Listen to, but only hear. This is a very important difference in English. Our final mistake. Number 5. We often mix 3 words, lose, miss, and waste. These words are very different. First, miss. We use miss when we are late for transport, like a bus, a train, or a plane. The transport leaves without us. For example, I missed the bus this morning, so I was late for school. You could not get on the bus. Now, lose. This means you do not have something anymore. You cannot find it, like your keys. For example, I lost my keys at the park. This means I do not know where my keys are. We also lose time. This happens when a problem makes you slow. It is not your fault. For example, the car had a flat tire. We lost time changing it. This is useful work. Last, waste.
To waste time means to use time badly.
You do something not useful. It is your choice. For example, he wastes time playing games all day. This is not useful. This is a bad use of time. So, remember, miss for transport, lose for things you cannot find or time from problems, waste for using time badly. Now, a quick quiz.
Let's check what you learned.
Is the sentence correct or wrong? 1. I arrived late and lost my train. Wrong. It should be I missed my train. 2. It is so fun to cook new food together. Correct. 3. What time will you come? It depends of the traffic. Wrong. It should be it depends on the traffic. 4. I am listening my favorite song. Wrong. It should be I am listening to my favorite song. 5. We lost 10 minutes changing a flat tire. Correct.
How was your quiz?
Tell me your score below in the comments. Ready to stop making these mistakes for good and sound more like a native speaker? Please like this video. Subscribe to White Eagle. We have more English tips for you. And get my free ebook. It has many more mistakes and fixes.
The link is below in the description.
It will help you a lot. I will see you next time.